Hi guys, so today I'm going to be trying the gummy trolley popsicle and rating how it tastes. My first time trying it, so yeah. Okay, so this is it opened. It's cherry and lemon. They didn't have the blue and pink one, so I had to get this one. It's very jiggly. So let's try it. First reaction, it has a very weird taste. It's very strong. I mean, not taste, texture. It's a very strong cherry flavor. So I'm gonna try the bottom. Maybe I'll like that better. So the texture is like gummy, but really soft, like softer, so you could just do that. It's like basically a frozen giant gummy. The bottom's good, but I'm not a big fan of cherry, so I don't really like the top. So I'm gonna rate this an overall 6 out of 10. It was fun trying it, but I don't think I'm gonna buy it again. So bye guys.